Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage your preferences in the Snapchat app. First, let's open up the app. And here it opens up in the camera. From here we just go into the profile menu. Then we tap on settings. Then we scroll down. And under account actions, we have permissions here. We tap on this. And here we have the list of permissions that the app that we can give the app access to things, for example, our camera, our contacts, our locations, microphone, etc. And here we can just tap on these to enable them. And afterwards, we can just disable the permission here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.